All right, here's a look at the frontal boundary that moved in the region today. Very weak out there, not a big push of cool air behind it, not a big push of dry air behind it. What it is doing is trying to maybe give us these nuisance rain chances out there. I have to have them in there because we have a lot of moisture in the lower levels, and with the frontal boundary there's just enough lift possibly to try to squeeze out a sprinkle. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about some sprinkles, maybe a little drizzle, maybe a very isolated small very light shower. You see Future Track trying to hint at that. It knows the frontal boundary is there. It knows there's some moisture in the lower levels, so it's just saying, hey, there's a slight chance. What you do notice too, cloud cover. Now that's going to be around. If it's around today, it'll be around overnight tonight. We'll definitely start out overcast tomorrow morning. We'll see more clouds through the day tomorrow. Maybe try to get a few more breaks of sunshine in than we saw today, similar to what we saw on Tuesday. And then the same thing as we go into Friday morning. Still a lot of moisture really surging northward as we go into Friday. South winds really crank, and that's what's picking up on that muggy start with the overcast skies. Notice this, though, trying to bring some clearing in, maybe trying to get some blue skies to come out. Last time, we've had mostly cloudy overcast skies going back over a week now, every day here across Texas. Not big changes on the way for at least really the next 48 hours. Past that, we could see some clouds overnight tonight, temperatures in the muggy 60s. Tomorrow, we'll see more 70s around. Maybe with some thick cloud cover around, we could see the same thing today where we had some of those lower to mid 70s with some of those 60s trying to creep in where the cloud cover is just a little bit thicker, especially on the north side of that front as it really weakens. There's the front. We've been tracking this the last few days moving in. Not a big deal with that one. Here's the next front moving into the Pacific Northwest. That one behind that front is definitely going to be a big cool down. Not really looking like we're going to squeeze out any rain chances with it, but at least going to see a big cool down. That's during the weekend. We'll see that come in Saturday afternoon. Looking past that, next weekend, Thanksgiving, big travel day. Everybody wants to know what's it going to be like. If you're driving around the state next Wednesday, we still got a lot of time, but we're looking out ahead for you. One of our models, it's trending a lot drier. It started off the day pretty wet on Wednesday. Not the case. The European model, this is how hard my job is. Doug's always asking, you know, how hard is your job? I think it's pretty easy. I got one model that's dry. I got another model, Doug, that's, look at all the rain across the southern plains. So pretty difficult. Don't sweat it out. I'll make it through. Me and Andy will talk it out.
We'll get through this together.
We'll hold hands. We'll get through it together. But there's your big cool down. We'll definitely feel it there on Sunday. Looking forward to that.
So how hard is your job, Zach?
It's really hard, man. It's really a struggle over there. But don't worry, my health is fine.
Thank you, sir.